Hello friends, today I will discuss with you a very important matter. We know that Microsoft has announced a new Windows 11 for personal computers, but all personal computers are not getting this software. They have declared minimum requirements for Windows 11. So these are minimum requirements for Windows 11. You see they have specified secure boot. Many users do not know what is secure boot and how to activate it. So I have a Gigabyte B360 AORUS Gaming 3 Wi-Fi motherboard and I will show you how to enable it. First of all, we need to restart our computer. To access the BIOS, press the delete key. Now go to BIOS tab. You will see CSM support, and it is enabled. You need to disable it. Now you will see secure boot is visible. So secure boot is disabled. You can enable it when system is in user mode. So I am in user mode. Simply enable it and restart my system. Again go to BIOS section and click on secure boot, then enable it. So secure boot is enabled. But remember one thing, when you enable secure boot on your computer, you need a fresh Windows installation. Suppose you have already Windows 10 on your computer, but secure boot was in deactive mode. When you active it, you need a fresh Windows installation on your computer. Otherwise, it will not work. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.